Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist. It's currently 3:27 p.m. right now. The date is September. What's today's date? September 15th. Okay, it's 3:27. There's 31 minutes in the market right now. So the day's not over, but I'm gonna do some technical analysis on the SPY. Keep in mind there's 30 something minutes left, so a lot can happen just now. From now until the next 30 minutes at 4 o'clock, okay? But overall, so far, we are having a very, very bullish day. This looked like a straight up bull trap. Okay, guys, I remember I told you guys that I was bullish on this day. We got this nice trap, took out the area of liquidity, and it got bought up. We had the next day where it gapped up like $3-4. It was looking good, but then what happened? We just sold off and close under our support level. Okay, the support level right here, this blue line right here, we got this rising wedge. But remember, one close below support level doesn't mean much. We want multiple closes. That's when it starts to mean a lot more. And what happened? Well, near almost a reversal happened today. So far, it's an inside day candle where this candle's inside the range of the previous day candle, but it was enough to get us back in the range of the support level right here. It got us back into the rising wedge. Now, usually when market makers fake us out like this, they are going to push it all the way back up. They're not going to use this area of liquidity and just fake us out for nothing now. They're going to do it for a reason. Okay, so, you know, when it breaks below the 5-day moving average like this, the 5-day moving average now becomes the resistant level. Okay, also, this is also where the blue line was. All right, so today, the SPY opened around 444 and it was able to get back above the 5-day moving average and this blue line where our support level was, where it was resistant, now support level again. Okay, so it broke a major resistant level to let us know that we could get more back, we could get more upside again. Okay, this could be a nice reversal. Okay, now it could be just a relief rally and then we head down lower, but looking at the price action, it's looking like it wants to keep on going. Okay, like I said, market makers, they fake us out for a reason. Okay, they trap the bears so that they can push it up. That's what I believe. Okay, so I'm bullish again. I think that of course we need SPY to close above this 20-day moving average. Okay, if it's below the 20-day, I'm bearish. Above the 20-day, I'm bullish. Okay, now we got a lot of buying pressure today. Don't want to get too greedy. SPY was able to break one resistance level today, right, and get us back into this rising wedge. So, and now it's testing this next resistance level. So we don't want to get too greedy. We want to watch and want to be patient and see if tomorrow it can break this resistance level of 448. Okay, I would love for SPY in the next 29 minutes to close above 448. Okay, if you're watching this and SPY actually closed above 448, that's very bullish. Okay, that's above the 20-day moving average. And if that's the case, we are in play to head back to all-time high around 453, 454. Maybe get a pullback there, or we base around there a little bit, and then we head up higher to 457 to 460 range. Okay, that's what I believe. Look, and SPY's at 448.05 right now. Okay, so we're currently just a little above the 20-day, but it doesn't matter. It's only intraday. I want to see it close. All right, we're gonna get that close. Okay, a lot can happen still, but in my opinion, I am bullish. I think we're gonna get that close. Even if we don't get that close above the 20-day moving average, I think it will be very bullish by tomorrow. Okay, so next, my price target, if we close above 448, my price target will be 453 to 454. I think we will base around there. We'll break that and head up to 457 to 460 range. Okay, if we fail, if we cannot break that 20-day moving average, okay, and close above 448, if we cannot, then of course we may see more downside around 439 to the 436 range. Okay, but I don't think so. All right, look at that. Started here, got a touch there. It came, got some bounces here, broke below, and that got us right back up. Okay, bear trap the bears. Okay, this is not a diss. Okay, bears, you guys should have been making money. Okay, well, guess what? I think it's the bulls' turn again. Okay, and this is the SPY. More often than not, the SPY favors the bulls. Okay, I'm sorry. This overall, long term, medium term, and even right now, short term, it's bullish, guys. Okay, so we got this inside day candle currently. We got the trend is bullish. So we got bounces off the support levels, critical support levels, holding above the 50. I think we're gonna get to that 453 level. Okay, still 26 minutes. All right, like I said, if it closed above 448 or SPY above 448, very bullish. Okay, let's take a look at the VIX. Yeah, the VIX for 3 days, it failed to get back above the 200. It tried 3 times and it failed to stay above. Now it's closing below the 5-day moving average. This is right there, and it's testing the 20-day. Okay, so it broke one support level. Now it's tested another support level. Now we got to see another day, okay, if it'll break more support level. VIX below 1778 is very bullish for the SPY. We want the VIX to go down, okay? We want the VIX to go down. The more bearish it is, the better. Right now it's looking bearish. Could be just bull flagging, but I don't think so. All right. More often than not, VIX is in a bull trend. Okay, it is trading below the 200-day moving average, the bearish chart. So my bias to the downside, and with that, my bias for SPY is to the upside. Look at that big green candle. That's a lot of volume. That's a lot of movement. I mean, like us retail traders, we don't have the power to move it that much. This is market makers, man. They moving it like this. When you see these big candles with big body candles, that's the market makers. That's not us. And they want this to go back up. All right? So like I always say, be a bull in the bull market. Area liquidity, always keep that in mind. Area liquidity got taken out, as you can see right here. Getting that reversal candle. It didn't close yet, so it's not, maybe not even end the day inside day candle. It could, might as well break it. It could. Not saying it will. It could though, but remains to be seen. Okay. So above 448, I'm bullish. Moving on to triple Q. Triple Q is also looking pretty bullish. Okay, we got this bounce and test off the 20-day moving average, but triple Q failed to close below it, and now look at that. It got below it a few times, 3 times. Take out the air liquidity, but looks like a nice bear trap. All right. However, to confirm this, we need to get back above this. This line right here was where the range was. That's where it broke out from. So we need triple Q to get back above 378.34. As long as it's below, then price action is bearish, and it could just be testing it, rejection, just to confirm, and it could head down lower. Okay, but right now, it's looking like a nice candle. This 20-day moving average is looking pretty strong as support. So my bias to the upside, I'm bullish on it right now, okay? All right. So, of course, like I'm going to say one more time, we need triple Q to get back above 378.34. I think we will get it. If not today, we could get it by tomorrow. But if not, then we get more downside to the 369 to 366 range. Okay, so I'm bullish on triple Q. ARKK, I'm not very bullish on it. All right, you know how in a bull trend, we get lots of bounces off the 5-day moving average. Lots of bounces off the 5-day moving average. But when it's a downtrend, a strong move, we get lots of rejections from the 5-day moving average. And as you can see, ARKK is pretty overextended to the downside. A little bit, not too much, but it's far from the 5-day moving average right now. Okay, so I'm bearish on it. If ARKK goes up a little bit, it tests the 5-day and it fails to break it, which I think it probably will, which is at 119 right now, then most likely we see more downside to 113, 110 probably, maybe even lower, because right now the charts are looking bearish. Okay, but if ARKK can get back above 119, then there's a good sign that it can head up higher back to 120, maybe even 124. Okay, it can look bullish again, but right now it's looking very bearish. Okay, as long as it's below 119, I'm bearish on it. Okay, moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, I am bullish on Bitcoin. I've been saying to buy the dip. I believe it's in phase D of the wick-off accumulation. If you don't know what that is, it's right here, phase D. After phase D is over, we'll head into phase E for a more higher move, okay? So I believe that we're just going to get choppy a little bit. As you can see, Bitcoin starting to trade back above the 20-day moving average. Okay, back above all the moving averages, okay? The 50-day right here, this support line served pretty well right here, okay? So with that being said, it's phase D of Wickoff's accumulation. I believe there's more upside. My next price target for Bitcoin is 59K. All right. I also had Elliott wave right here. Wave 1, 2. I think this is 3 here. This is 4. Finishing 4. I'm gonna head up for the 5th wave. Okay. I think this is the 5th wave that's coming up next. So guys, get ready for that bull ride. That's what I believe. We're gonna head into phase E soon. Don't say I didn't tell you. Alright? So that's what I got for now, guys. I hope to be able to help you guys in this crazy market. And there you go. Look at that. This is real time, guys. You guys are seeing this. This is real time. Power of technical analysis. We're heading up higher as we speak. Alright, guys. So I hope this was able to help. Stay bulls in this bull market. That's the message. I think today was a straight up bear trap. I hope you wasn't one of those bears that got trapped. But if you are, it's okay. Cut your loss. Manage your risk. You know, there's always another day to fight tomorrow. Alright? I see you guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.